Wait. Yeah, there we go.
And today, we are gonna break this pencil. Yeah. Yeah! End the video! No, look at the screen, dude. Gonna break this. PSP. It's upside down. See? Watch. Watch it power. Watch it power. Nothing!
Yeah.
So, and yes, it is broken. We're not just, like, fucking around with you. Alright? So, we're gonna destroy the shinhane out of this.
Shenane?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
We have a rule around here that whoever item it is will go first. So, it's Scotty's. And, yeah.
It'd be awesome if I broke this in one hit.
Oh! The screen fucking broke.
Dude, this thing is in
Yes.
half. Hey, Anna, can I please try to just get it in half?
No. I want to try.
Fine.
Okay.
Alright, go!
Got the PSP thing off of it.
In condition battery, anyone? Anyone? Okay.
Okay. Thank God. Don't hit it.
Here it is. Set, go. Look at that. Oh!
Oh my God.
There's pieces inside the pieces.
I
can
didn't know
I
there's
hit
like
it
a
again?
fucking double screen.
Can I hit it again, please?
No.
For the love. Go! Hey! Okay, I get two.
Okay.
Here we go.
Ah, don't hit me. Like, pieces are flying at me.
These things are awesome. Keeping this.
Okay.
Finalizer. Oh, that was awesome! Dude! This is freaking broke. Oh, they're gone!